Hello everyone, and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Adobe Creative Cloud for graphic design. So what is Adobe Creative Cloud? Adobe Creative Cloud is a set of applications and services from Adobe Incorporated that gives subscriber access to a collection of software used for graphic design, video editing, web development, photography, along with a set of mobile applications and also some optional cloud services. So we can see here the bottom part that it have shortcuts for the available applications or softwares that we can use for graphic design. So we have Illustrator, Lightroom Classics, and Photoshop. So if you want to learn how to use these applications for graphic designs, please watch our previous video. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.